Our curriculum is designed with multiple areas for experiential learning. We start with a class called the Colloquium. That is an opportunity to engage with professional speakers that come to campus to talk about their careers, their companies, and their area of real estate, as well as engage with scholars who come to Penn State to present their research. As part of that, we also then have students work on a culminating experience that we begin right at the start of the program. That culminating experience, of course, is at the end of the program in April at graduation, when they present a analysis of a local development deal. And so they work on that throughout the program. Last year, we worked with one of the local developers to study the Penn State Hotel and Conference Center. And the students were tasked with their role in this culminating experience was to advise the owner, the developer, on what he should do with that property. And so that the different teams came up with ideas for how to expand that hotel facility and offer new things that the developer could potentially do. He was very impressed with the students, and in fact indicated that he thought one of the ideas was intriguing enough that he was going to push on that further and may actually try to implement it. So that's an example of how the students were engaged in something that they could potentially see come to fruition.